Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Ver2 channel. Okay, finally, I'm gonna do the MotorHelix 3. Okay, 3 for MotorHelix, which is actually the all-in tuning Busan Expo edition. Okay, so actually, I thought there's only 2. Okay, but I think 1 week later, I only found out there's actually S2000 released there as well. I really didn't know. I guess the hype is still on the Skylines, the R33, the R34 and R35. I've covered R34 a couple of times on the channel already, but not R35 yet. So let's get straight to it. Very nice premium packaging. This is my first premium packaging from MotorHelix. So it has the all-in tuning event name, Nissan GTR R35 track edition engineered by Nismo. This is the T-Spec version, 2024 event year, okay, 164 scale. So these two are actually in special colors. Okay, I'm going to use the special colors. Comes with the cloth. Okay, so you can microfiber cloth. Oh. Licensed. Okay, licensed by Nissan. What else? There's a barcode. What does it say? Yeah, it's just product names and stuff. Okay, so this is a licensed product. Ooh, straight. You can see the VR38 peeking at you. That's very nice. Okay, let's get a code. First thing I see is 2 screws. Not a fan of that. Okay, and so far, because I've been doing a little bit of sneak peek that I'll be doing these MotorHelix, so I have been getting comments that they don't roll. Okay, they don't roll. So in that case, probably, and it's 2 screws, and yeah, I don't think I'll be opening it. I mean, I don't think I'll be opening it from the base. I'll just leave it on the base. Yeah, I don't think I need to do a roll test because already at the time of recording, already 2 different comments, 2 different person has commented that their MotorHelix doesn't roll. Okay, but the paint on this thing, very, very nice. Chameleon. I see yellow and purple. I don't see any green. It's a very nice T-Spec. Nice. So the rear wing is carbon fiber. It's a separate piece. Does it go all the way underneath? No. So carbon fiber on top. Yes. Carbon fiber on the roof. The carbon fiber weave is quite okay. Quite realistic. Very nice actually. This brake, this caliper, details in there as well. It's actually very nice. Quite a lot of text on the base plate. MotorHelix brand, Nissan GTR, again with the full name, full event name, limited edition. How many? 999 pieces. Running number, this is number 69. That's a very nice number. That's a very nice number. Okay, let me just do a quick check if I can take this out easily. Easily take it out, then I will. No, it's a bit tight. I've not had very good experiences with MotorHelix screws. I have quite a few of them which is screwed on too tightly and I can't remove it. Yeah, this one is too tight as well, so I won't bother. And there we go. Look at that. Oh, this is a very nice engine bay. This is very, very nice. Okay. So probably if you're buying this, well, don't buy it for the rollability. Buy it for the engine detail. This is actually very, very nice. Very, very nice engine details. Okay, so that's R35. Push everybody to the back a little bit, and we do the R34. I'll be doing the S2000 right at the back because the S2000 I'll probably need a bit of time on it. Okay, so packaging wise similar. It's just a silhouette, okay, with all the text. MotorHelix, all-in tuning, Nissan GTR, and building the shape of the R34 and R35. It's the same design method. So it comes with a cloth. So I'm just going to take it out. Licensed product. Okay. off there. Okay. Get it out of the box. Oh, let me remove the sticker first. So in the meantime, help me to hit the like button, okay, because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Okay, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that I don't miss on any other diecast videos. Nice. Very nice. Is it midnight purple? I don't know if this is midnight purple or I'll just call it chameleon. Oh, that small sticker is very annoying. No, I got it. I got it on my fingers. I can't get it off. Okay. Yeah, you may see it stuck on my finger in this video then. I think I got it off. Nice. Very, very nice paint. I like the paint, but it's just too much having the same paint on two cars. Or front view, very nice. I've done a couple of MotorHelix R34s already with the opening hood. 3 colors at least. Sorry, 6 colors at least. No, I think it's 5 colors that I've done already so far. Okay, quite a few colors already. I know that they had an orange color as well. That orange color, it was released together as a package with a 118 orange in orange. So I missed that release. Because their 118, we did have their silver color Z-Tune. That was actually very nice. 118 MotorHelix. MotorHelix are making quite nice 118s right now. I'm looking forward to one of their next release, the Julia. So overall, this is actually a very, very nice casting. But the biggest challenge with them is always that screw. Is it too tight as well? Yeah, it's really very tight. This screwdriver can open pretty much almost all diecast models. I don't know, maybe I need to change my screwdriver as well, but I'm able to open it up. And yeah, the general consensus is the R34 and the 35 won't be able to roll. But I definitely want to open up the engine bay to show you guys. Let me just, there we go. Oh, look at that. Very nice. I've kind of did a side-by-side comparison of the two engine bay in my previous weekly drop video. I will try to look it up and put the comparison video in the description below, so you can check that out. I did an engine bay comparison between the PGM and the MotorHelix. So regular release, the PGM is 3 times the price of a MotorHelix, but MotorHelix you can only open the front. The PGM you can open all sides. That's a very nice engine bay. Okay, interior wise, you get 2-tone seats, front and rear. So at least you can see some colors in there. Even the steering wheel is detailed. That's nice. Okay, it's R34. Sorry, I forgot to show you the interior of the R35. But I can't show you much anyway because it's in black, right? I think it's in black. Because the seats are slightly lighter color, but still very dark. Can't see much. But the outer paint is very, very nice. That chameleon purple, that is very nice. Okay, let me just put that to there. Let me zoom out, and we're gonna do the S2000. So both of them actually came with a thin plastic wrapper like that. Honda S2000, all in tuning, event name again. Okay, with the event logo. So this is actually upside down. Does it have the Honda? Ooh, it does. So this is also a licensed Honda product. Diecast. Okay, let's get it out. Let's get it out there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So there is a normal release for these already. They're not out yet, but they're the pre-order is closed already. I think it's S2000 in white and in yellow. So this is third color, but first to release. So this is in blue. Yeah. It's taped on. And oh no, I hate. Yeah, why the tape? Sorry guys, hang on, bear with me. I should be up. Okay. Oh, just quick, giving you an overview. The chassis, the body, the hood, your choice of hardtop, the seats, and is that the transmission? That looks like a transmission to me. Okay. Nice. Just gonna put it aside. I'm gonna throw it aside. Let's get the even the pedal. Okay, even the foot pedals. Nice. That is very nice. The whole engine part. You can see the magnetic bits to make it easier to install. Okay, seems to this is probably rollable. Yeah. Okay, so it rolls, no issue. S2000 rollable, no issue. Engine detail, I believe this is a F20C, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. Nice. Twin pipes at the back. Running number underneath. Okay, 999 pieces were made, 968. Yes. Okay, yeah, I've got my sticker stuck in my nails. It's fine. I'll put in first, of course, we put in the transmission, right? Okay, so we put in the transmission. Means this will be interchangeable. You can probably put different color there. Ooh, that's nice. Very satisfying. Magnetic. Very satisfying. It's pretty crazy they can do this and they can mass produce this. Oh, because there are bound to be some alignment problems where, you know, I always believe in manufacturing there's always variance for error. So it's just who is the unlucky one, whether how strict are them about their QC to filter out all the error ones, and how unlucky, how many unlucky collectors will be getting the ones that is misaligned or has any QC issues. So that's the overall body. Headlamps are already installed. Honda logo in front. The front grille is installed as well. Tail lights also installed already. Okay, let's cover it up. Ooh, goes in very nicely. Okay, and it stays. Okay. So yeah, it stays. Oh, the magnet is quite strong. That's nice. So got it in, and does this still roll? Yeah. To the back. Okay, it rolls. Okay, so means the tires are stuck to the body a little bit. Nice. So even on the body, right? Yeah, I can see the hood. It does have that magnet. It's nice. Okay, let me get that hood. Nice. Oh, very nice. Okay. Then if the soft top is folded down, it's gonna be this version. Is there any magnet? No magnets. So let's see how it goes. Okay, it sits quite nicely. Not bad. Okay, nice. I like it with the roof down. Okay, but let's try the hardtop with the windows. Okay, hang on. So this part doesn't have the magnet. Okay. And then we try the soft top when it's up. Okay, that fits. Oh, that fits very nicely as well. I can't remember which brand. It didn't fit. Yeah. I didn't quite like it because it didn't fit nicely. This one fits very nicely. So of course with S2000 you have to have it. Yes, like that. Nice. Lovely. Very nice blue as well. Headlamps done properly. Tail lamps also done properly. Okay, printing on the inner side, not on the not on the cover, to make it very realistic. Rims quite okay. Don't see the disc brake in there. Oh, there is. There is a disc brake in there. Okay, nice. So yeah, if the transmission is interchangeable, means it can be different color. We can mix and match later on. Nice, very nice. Okay, so this is a very interesting. This is a very interesting way to build your own customized car. That's a very interesting. I'll be looking forward to receive the other colors, the white and the yellow S2000. Let's see what can we mix around with. Cool. So that's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching. What else? Help me hit the like button, because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that you don't miss on any other my other diecast videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.